What is going on, guys? It's your boy statikleo here, and I am back with another video. So right now we're gonna hit a little road trip about an hour away, go pick up some wheels for the giveaway OBS that I'm doing. If you guys follow me on Instagram, it started yesterday, and if you're watching this right now, make sure you guys go get entered. Today is barely Wednesday, and I am a bit ahead of schedule. You know, I got videos stacked up. I've been grinding hard, so trying to bring you guys all these uploads. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I post everything like way faster there. It's the same as my YouTube. Go give me a follow. And right now, filling up the TRX, man. This thing is a gas guzzler. Whoever wins it, this is definitely gonna be a weekend truck, because this thing guzzles, man. So right now we're filling it up. Can't wait to go see those wheels, man. We ordered these last week, and my boy got them all ready for us. So right now when we get back, my boy Velasquez is pulling up to get this thing all detailed, because it is filthy, man. So yeah, it's been kind of weird weather here, so it's dirty, but this thing's gonna get all shined up right now. Gotta hit the road, man. I think this thing is done. Slide 140. Oh, there we go. It's full. And now let's hit the road. Let's pull up, pick the wheels up, and then once we get back to the shop, once the truck is done, right now we gotta get back, put the wheels on, put the cow hood on. Once it's done, I'm gonna explain to you guys how to enter to win that truck. So let's get it. Guys, we just made it back with the wheels. Little 2-hour road trip, some slight, but here they are. Check them out. There's some 22x10 US mags. Very nice wheels. Let's pull one out. So I think these are gonna look perfect on that OBS, man. What do you think, Joe? They look clean. Very nice wheels. So
something
right now
different.
I have it inside the shop on jack stands, because we sold the 17x11, so I wanted to do something different on this truck, you know. Everyone's been doing that a lot, so we wanted to do some 22x10s. I think they'll look real nice. And right now I'm gonna put them on. We're gonna pull the truck out, and we're gonna take it over there to put the cow hood on with the fresh paint. All right, let's get an idea of how it's gonna look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, very nice. Let's slap them on. Here it is, guys, our little weekend giveaway, little OBS. Obviously, we're still gonna go do more stuff to it. We gotta get some mirrors. We gotta fix this, and then I think the painter has the gas cap, so we gotta put the gas cap on. But it's a project, you know. Anyone that wins this truck, you're gonna win it for a very low fee, obviously, and you know, you can put your own style to it, your own work. It has a very nice sound system done by Project Torque. Check it out. It has a center console, speakers on the bottom. It's a project, you know. It's a project truck, but
Pull
I'm
up
sure
the seat.
whoever wins it can make something great out of it. Check it out.
410s.
410 JLs. We'll do some testing later on. Right now what we want to do is go get some mirrors for it. Get it all washed up, all cleaned up. And right now my boy Velasquez is detailing the TRX. He's getting down on that one. And yeah, here it is. Our weekend OBS. Fastest giveaway ever. Weekend giveaway. So it ends tomorrow, Sunday at 11:59 p.m. And we're choosing the winner on Monday at 7 p.m. on my Instagram live, or maybe we'll do YouTube live. We'll see. I'm waiting for them to come put internet at my shop. That way it won't be laggy or anything. So we'll see what happens. But this thing looks clean, man. I think it'll make a great little starter truck, you know, for anybody that's trying to get into this, or just a good project in general. Right now we're gonna go buy the little short mirrors for it, the 454 ones. I think those would look super clean on it. And pretty clean. My boy getting the TRX right. Yesterday we got the TRX all detailed up. Check it out, that thing is on point. Right now I'm gonna be pulling it out. We gotta pull out these trucks so we can slap that little T-Rex on there on the side and explain to you guys how you can win that OBS. We already have it all ready for you guys, ready to go. Through the little mirrors on there. Just do a little walk around. Right now we are gonna be pulling it out as well, showing you guys the sound system and stuff. Got the mirrors on there, got the little gas cap. So yeah, this thing is ready to go, man. Very nice little project. Then we got the Sierra with the new wheels. A lot of you guys were liking the new wheels. I love them as well. These things are nice. Now we're gonna have to color match the sides, plastics, the calipers, little details, you know. And then we're waiting on our new front end to show up. So yeah, let's get them out. Start with the Coyote. Do a little cold start on it. Thanksgiving dinner to my sister's house, and I took this one out and it got filthy, man. So we're gonna have to get this thing detailed real soon. This one's kind of dirty too already. This weather has just been horrible. Check it out. It's been raining like crazy, but it's all right. We got some sun now. Let's start the Sierra. This one's quiet. Yeah, man, I love this truck. Like, I know once we do all the other little details, it'll be nice, very nice. Y'all just trust the process, man. It's coming. Last but not least, the TRX. got this thing all cleaned up for y'all, ready to go. Right now we're gonna put on. We're gonna be putting these on right now on the doors. We're gonna look nice, huh?
Hell yeah. Something different.
There we go. We got all the machines on. Beautiful lineup, man. Just waiting on my F450. If you guys didn't see my Instagram post, my F450 is here. We're gonna go pick it up next week, and she's gonna be joining the fleet. All right, guys, we got the truck sitting nice outside. The Coyote is so filthy right now, man. I'm gonna have to get this thing washed ASAP. But yeah, onto the TRX. Right now we're gonna be slapping these on the doors. And this is what you have to purchase right here to enter to win the OBS. So each one of these T-Rex decals will give you 5 entries, not only for the TRX, but also for the OBS. And we're gonna be choosing a winner this Monday at 6 p.m. on my Instagram live. So someone's gonna be having a new truck this Monday. You know, guys, we gotta move quick. You got the tape ready? Let's see where we're gonna be putting these at. You gotta put them even. So, you know what? We made them wrong. Yeah. One is supposed to face the other side. Yeah. But we'll put the other one on the other side on. Our mistake. But yeah, guys, this is all you have to buy right here. Hit the link down below. We only have today and tomorrow to get entered. You will get 5 entries for this truck and 5 entries for the OBS. So yeah, these go on this side. It's okay, we'll put one on and then we'll put the other side on. You guys get it. So I'm thinking like right here or what? Somewhere right here.
Yeah, that looks good right there. Hold it.
Something, yeah. I think that'll look good. Yeah, that looks sick. And then it also matches with the back TRX one, so no biggie.
Ready?
Sir. We have the side of it right here. It looks good. Let's go ahead and peel it. Shout out to Space City Graphics for getting down.
Y'all hit me up.
Oh yeah, that looks killing.
Looks nice.
Damn. That looks nice, bro.
I like
it.
it.
Matches the back one. So yeah, we just gotta mirror it so we can put it on the other side. And you guys get the point. This is a new upgrade to the truck. Yeah, that's nice. Check it out, guys. That little T-Rex sets it off, man. That's what this truck was missing. Let me know what y'all think down below. Right now we're gonna be putting this thing back in her cave because we cannot get it dirty at all. This thing has to stay on point. And we are gonna be doing some more upgrades on it real soon. You guys stay tuned. For now, we're gonna put her back in her cave because it's all nice and detailed. Got the interior all cleaned up. just ready to go, man, to his new winner. So don't sleep on it, guys. Hit the link down below. Right now is the perfect time to enter. We're doing 5 entries for this one, 5 entries for the OBS. And you never know, man. You could be the next one down here picking up a truck. So don't sleep on it. Right here we got the giveaway OBS. Right now my brother's gonna play a little sound demo for y'all. ¿Qué es eso? My boy Robles.
Se la saben al millón. ¿Quién se la quiere llevar? ¿Quién se la quiere ganar? Corto de volada.
Going out, going out, going out. 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oye.
Oye, el sistema. ¿Qué trae la cacerola esta?
We gotta play no copyright music because, you know, we gotta get paid, man. A la verga. What happened? What happened? There it goes. There we have the giveaway OBS. System sounds real good. I just don't want to mess it up, you know. Don't want to blow it out for you guys. But whoever wins it, man, you can play it as loud as you want. It's pretty loud. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys get entered. Don't sleep on it. We will be choosing a winner this Monday at 6 p.m. on my Instagram live. Make sure you get entered down below. Don't miss out. And yeah, I go. And now we're gonna be taking all these parts to where my crew cab is at. They're gonna be installing all this on it, some big brakes, nice differential, the wheels. That thing's gonna come out killer, guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I know I said I was gonna try to build it OEM, but you know, we can't leave nothing stock, man. So all this stuff is going on the crew cab. Crew cab is gonna be killer. And y'all stay tuned for that build, man. Be out. What you gotta say to the people?
Que compren.
Que compren
para que se lleven la cacerola que es.
So yeah, man. Pick up your merch, guys. Don't forget to go cop the decal. Don't sleep on it, because you could be the next winner.
Y el que compre le voy a regalar el hummus. Un hummus. Yo le voy a regalar un hummus. Promoción de hummus.
Now we loaded up all the parts with my boy Robles, you know. Aquí los llevamos over there. I'm gonna give you a little update on the crew cab build as well. We haven't seen that thing in a while, man. It's been like, what, like 2-3 weeks since it left.
In a while.
Big while.
Big while.
So my boy Robles right now made us a favor to take all the parts for us.
Porque mi troca trae carpeta atrás.
Y no se raspan.
Y no se raspa.
Yeah. He has that bed rug, so we don't want to scratch anything. And then we left the wheels, but the wheels we're gonna be bringing them another day.
No ocupamos los wheels.
We don't need them right now,
Primero
but.
que instalen todo lo demás y luego ya que le pongan los pinches rines a la ajena.
Y vámonos a la
Y ya
verga,
nos
quemando
vamos- Y nos
llanta.
vamos quemando llanta y para atrás y para adelante y la verga.
So yeah, he did the rear tubs. He's working on the front tubs right now, and we're gonna drop off all these parts.
Le voy a poner la Tweety.
La Tweety,
La Tweety.
Tweety birds.
Sí, le ponemos la Tweety. Va a andar toda amarilla la bitch.
Yes, sir.
O la huevo.
La huevo.
Huevo.
¿Qué es eso?
Huevo. De ahí de dormir.
La egg yolk.
Imagínate.
Well, yeah, guys, we on the way, man. Drop these parts off.
Vamos para allá, para Washington.
Aquí traemos todo, ir a top secret. ¿Ah?
Encubierto.
Raul stole my Crocs. You stole my Crocs?
Se los voy a poner a la OG roja mía.
Yeah, man. We got the crew cab right here, Ida. Ready for the new setup. Oh, taken apart. ¿Qué onda acá? Mira.
Chingo de días lloviendo, no se puede
Ya,
hacer
no
nada.
se puede hacer nada, chingos de agua. This thing is under surgery, guys. Major surgery.
El chilonón que tiene. Todo me recuerda a mí.
I wasn't supposed to do all this, guys, on this truck, but you know, man. You know how I am. So yeah, these control arms are coming out. Everything's coming out. I'm gonna be using this for another truck, for Project Shrek. Project Shrek, and then we're gonna be putting the big brakes on this thing. These brakes gotta go.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I gotta go.
Gotta go, buddy.
Dos negocios todavía.
So yeah, guys, mira aquí está.
Vamos a dejar todo el pinche mejor aquí.
All taken apart, man. Joe, we're supposed to leave it stock.
Too late now.
Too late to go back.
Now we need another daily for the daily.
Yeah, now we need another truck, man. It always happens. Ya quedó todo. Dropped off all the parts. We just gotta bring the wheels, but we're gonna bring them later on. And damn, he said it should be ready like in what, 2-3 days?
2-3 days. Que se iba a tomar su tiempo el vato para dejarla bien perra.
On point. Y vamos a salir quemando llantas.
¿Quién dijo miedo?
But yeah, guys, damn. I was supposed to leave that truck stock, pa. No se puede. No se puede. En el jale que andamos no se puede dejar nada stock aquí. Puro pa' adelante. Well, guys, that is going to be it for this video. Don't forget to get entered, man. Hit the link down below. Because Monday, someone's going to have a new truck. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.